Imagine you're planning your dream vacation. You've booked the flights, the hotels, and you've even mapped out your itinerary. But then you realize you haven't considered the hidden costs that can really add up: currency exchange fees. Have you ever wondered if there's a way to save money on these fees? Well, that's exactly what we're going to talk about today. Let's dive into the world of YouTrip and find out how much it actually costs to use this popular travel card. What is YouTrip? YouTrip is a multi-currency wallet and card that allows you to spend in over 10 currencies without any conversion fees. It's like having a travel card that's tailored specifically for your adventures. The breakdown of costs. Now, let's get to the main question: how much does YouTrip cost? While there are no conversion fees when you spend, there are a few other charges you need to be aware of. Annual fee. YouTrip has a small annual fee, which is typically around insert amount. This is a one-time fee that you pay each year to maintain your card. Foreign transaction fees. While YouTrip doesn't charge conversion fees, your bank might still impose foreign transaction fees. These fees vary depending on your bank, so it's important to check with them before you travel. Cash withdrawal fees. If you need to withdraw cash from ATMs, YouTrip will charge a fee. This fee is typically a percentage of the amount you withdraw, plus a fixed fee. Additional costs and perks. In addition to the fees mentioned above, there are a few other things to consider. Loading fees. When you load money onto your YouTrip card, there might be a small fee. This fee can vary depending on the method you use to load your card. Perks and rewards. YouTrip often offers various perks and rewards to its users. These can include cashback, discounts, and exclusive offers. Is YouTrip worth it? So, is YouTrip worth the cost? The answer depends on your individual travel habits and spending patterns. If you travel frequently and spend a significant amount of money overseas, the savings from avoiding conversion fees can far outweigh the annual fee and other charges. However, if you only travel occasionally or don't spend a lot of money abroad, it might not be as cost-effective. It's important to weigh the pros and cons and decide if YouTrip is the right choice for you. In conclusion, YouTrip offers a convenient and affordable way to manage your finances while traveling. While there are some fees associated with using the card, the potential savings from avoiding conversion fees can make it a worthwhile investment for many travelers. So, the next time you're planning a trip, consider YouTrip and see if it's the right solution for your travel needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.